Good morning, students. Today we will learn the basic concepts of computer. So first I will define what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device which accepts input from user, process them and gives output. Okay. So means a computer is an electronic device which accepts input from user. Input means what we feed to computer, what we give input to computer, and the processor process it and output produces an standard output device. Let's discuss the block diagram of computer. What is the block diagram of computer? So here it is input. We feed data to computer through keyboard or mouse. These two are basic input device. Then it goes to CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Memory. CU means control unit. AL means arithmetical and logical unit. And after processing, the output is displayed on the standard output device such as monitor or printer. Now, what is input device? The device used to feed data into computer is called input device. As I have discussed just now, keyboard and mouse are two basic input devices. Now next is, what is memory? Memory is used to store data and information. We discuss detail about memory in just later. Now next, CU. CU means control unit. Control unit controls the operation of CPU. It is the heart and brain of the computer. Means control unit controls the overall operations of computer system. Next is ALU. ALU means arithmetical and logical unit. The arithmetical and logical unit performs arithmetical and logical operations and data. Arithmetical operation means we have to add, subtract, multiply, divide. These are the arithmetical. And logical operations means true, false, yes, no, 0, 1. These are the logical operations. Next one is output device. Output device is used to get the result from the computer. So monitor and printer are two standard output device. Now let us learn what hardware. It is a very famous term. What is a hardware? The physical components of computer are called hardware. Means motherboard, RAM, CD, monitor, printer. These are the examples of hardware. Then what is software? A software is a set of programs. Software is set of programs. We can't touch a software. Just we can see it on floppy disks, ROMs, and hardware, or we can touch it. Hardwares are in physical form. So just I have said a software is set of programs. Then what is a program? A program is set of instructions written in some language, just like Java, C, Basic, any programming language. And softwares are made in any of these days. Now a lot of developing software, just like C, C++, Java, Python. These are the famous software development. So a program is set of instructions. Next term is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means between user the interface between user and computer is indicated by graphically, and means that ki we can interact with computer through graphically, just like icons using we can interact with computer using my mouse, just like clicking, double clicking, right click. So it is a now just like Windows is a graphical user interface. And next term is CUI. CUI means character user interface. A very famous software developed by Microsoft was DOS, Disk Operating System. It is a CUI. We can interact to DOS with CUI. Just we have to type the commands. So next we will discuss about memory. Just I say a memory is a storage unit. So memories can be divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. Example of primary memory is RAM, ROM, PROM, EEPROM. RAM means random access memory. It is a temporary memory. ROM is read-only memory. RAM is also called read-write memory, and ROM is read-only. We can only read, we can't change it. And what is PROM? Programmable read-only memory. And EEPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. And secondary memory can be classified into just like hard disk, pen drive, CD, compact disc. DVD means digital versatile disk. These are the example of secondary. You are using chip on your mobile phones. These are also the examples of secondary memory. Now we will discuss about software. So just I said that software is set of programs. So software can be classified into two types, mainly application software and system software. Examples of application software is MS Office, Photoshop and Tally, because they are used for application. Just MS Office is used for writing letter. Photoshop is used to editing photos. Tally is a business accounting software. And system software is classified into two categories: operating system, language processor. Example of operating system is DOS, means disk operating system, Unix, Linux. And language processors are, these are the compilers and interpreters. Now we will discuss about operating system. An operating system is a collection of programs that control the operation and usage of the resources of a computer system. Means we can say that operating system is supervisor of the system. Since a machine is non-living things and it cannot understand our language, so operating system is interface between user and hardware. Operating system, here we draw a diagram of layered approach. Here the central part is hardware and the next layer is operating system. After the next layer is application software, and then the outermost layer is user. So user interacts with application interacts with OS, and then OS interacts with hardware we cannot directly interact with machine. So operating system is supervisor, we may say that. And types of operating system. Basically there are two types of operating system: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. DOS is single operating system. DOS means disk operating system. It is developed by Microsoft. And Windows is also a single user operating system, but it is a single user and a multitasking. Multitasking means we can perform more than one task at a time. So Windows is a multitasking. And multi-user operating system means Linux, Unix. These are the multi-user operating system. Means that more than two users can use the same machine at the same time. But in single user operating system, it is not possible. So Linux, Unix are multi-user and multitasking operating system. So this is the basic concepts, and that's all for the today. Thank you.